A few years back, I paid a lawyer $1,500 for 1 hour. At the end of that hour, he said something I wasn't expecting. I know the legal side cold, but I'm out of my element with a technical implementation of privacy. We should team up. That one conversation turned into one of the most profitable service models out there. Pay one expert once to validate your process, then charge 20 clients for that same validated work. One $1,500 hour, 20 clients at 5 to 10K each. This clip is from my agency blueprint workshop. I'm walking through the exact scorecard to audit to retainer framework I use to land clients. And it's focused on the compliance market most agencies are completely ignoring, plus some insights on why your cheapest clients are always your most expensive ones.
The analogy I've been using that I think actually works, I spent a lot of time with a lawyer and I told him, I can implement consent, but I'm scared of the lawyer stuff. And he said, oh, that's cool. We understand the lawyer stuff, but we're afraid of implementing the technical piece. Maybe we should team up. And I think that is sort of like, that's who's doing this right now, is the people who are not scared of those things. They're not as scared of it, right? But the reality is compliance is a set of steps. Everything is a set of steps. It's a set of rules. It's never been easier to decipher what those rules are and to even to pull it out of the GDPR thing and then say, what's a checklist, and then have a lawyer review it. But if you can have a lawyer review it one time, it should be good for everything you do, or you have them take on their edge cases. You can actually do this at scale by making a one-time investment and making sure that you check the legal part. So instead of having your clients pay $1,500 an hour for the legal part, maybe you pay a lawyer one time and then you pass on that savings to a client, but you get 20 more clients because you're the one who actually did the work. Could you imagine paying $1,500 to a lawyer for 1 hour and have them review your checklist that you got from Gemini by running GDPR, CCPA, and all the different state level laws in there, and having them create a checklist and then just said, is this BS or not? And they fix that for you in that 1 hour, which they would totally be able to do in an hour. And then you had that perfect forever. What's the ROI on that? If you can charge $5,000 to $10,000 a client to do this, that's like printing money, and it's vetted. It's legally sound because you paid the greatest attorney, an expensive attorney, to get it figured out. That's interesting, isn't it? That none of you considered that.
Everything you just watched comes from a larger workshop. The agency blueprint covers the full service stacking system, from how you price the first audit to how you build a retainer that clients don't want to cancel. If you want details on how to sign up, drop blueprint in the comments right now. I'll see it and I'll send you the information directly. And if you're building an agency and you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel.